Well, hi folks. 3 months since I've been up here now, so with various ailments and then just having bloody COVID, so I'm just going to go up and see what the state of affairs is, because like I said, I've not been up for 3 months, not even been up, never mind done anything, so we will see what's going on. Been through about 3 or 4 storms and God knows what else. So I don't know what the state of affairs is. I need to get some stuff done because I need to put the garlic in this weekend somehow, so I've got to prepare my bed a bit, even if it's just that little bit, just for the garlic. So I'll just turn around and see if we've got anything going on. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got. Oh, that's something new. A molehill. Uh-oh. Let's hope it's not gone into my plot. Oh dear, oh no. I can't have any moles. Oh dear, look at this. This needs a good old weeding. Oh god. So anyway, well mind you, I haven't been up for, like I said, not been up for 3 months, so... Oh, nearly fell. Oh god, look at these. Why have I got molehills? It's quite an old one by the looks of it, so thankfully it might have gone. But I don't know. Let's have a look what the state this place is in. Again, just full of weeds. They're only annual weeds, so won't take a lot of getting going that. But this is the main bit I want to get going. Some of last year's garlic I must have forgotten to pull out, sprouting already. So really I just want to get this little bit sorted out, this strip. Then the compost got a bit of time to sink in. And then get my garlic in, and the rest I can do any old time, because like I said, it's only annual weeds. I'm going to skim those off and cover them in compost. It should be good. So we'll see how this bit's getting on. See if I can salvage any leeks. They've probably gone to seed, but to be honest, judging looking at them, they don't look to have gone to seed, which is quite remarkable considering how mild it's been. So we'll try and get in, dig a few of those up, salvage those, take them home and freeze them. We'll make a lot of soup. So what have we got? Must have about 30. So I'll get on and get those dug up, I think. What to do. Brussels sprouts. Never got round to eating those. Don't think I'll be eating them now. This Russian kale's come back again, look. Probably quite edible now actually. Quite tender. Not looking too bad, so I might even get a picking of that, believe it or not. Because that's not gone to seed. So yeah, we'll get on. I'll try and do a bit of bed preparation first, and then we'll dig these up and dig a few carrots up, because I should have a big box full of carrots as well. So we'll get on and see what we can get going. Right then, let's get forward. Do a bit of work to warm up a bit. I think I'm going to leave these garlic in actually. I like volunteer garlic. See how they turn out. Probably not very big, but we'll have a go. So I'm using my favourite tool, my oscillating hoe. Just take this onion out. Let's see how easy it is. Let's have a go. So gravy just slices through it. So all I'm going to do is just do a bit of an area here. Skin all these weeds off, rake them up, compost them, and then I've got some of my own garden compost that's about 3 years old. So I'll put a good layer of that on. And then the spud compost, the stuff I grew my potatoes in last year, put as much of that on as I can, so there'll probably be a good inch of cover on it. But as you can see, it's a lot easier than using a Dutch hoe, this thing, because it just slices them off. Whew. Right, let's have a look. Let's rake a bit of this up. This is why my compost 90% soil, because when I rake it up I end up composting all this soil with it as well. So I'll try and get as much oh dear, get the soil out as I can. gives you an idea. Pretty clean now. Just go over it again just to get every little last bit of weed out. And then we should be able to smother them with the compost so they don't grow through, because like I said, there's no perennial stuff in here at all now. So it's only like shallow rooted stuff. So we'll get on and then I'll get some compost stuck on it. Alright then folks, as you can see I've tidied all this bit up now. It's about a quarter to a third of my old bed. Got rid of all the weeds, so I'm just going to get some of this compost on. This is absolutely brilliant stuff, this. I've not got too much, so I'm just going to be quite sparse with it, because it's got to go over the whole bed, this tub. And I'm going to put my compost from my potatoes on. And then, just before I plant my garlic, I'll put some fertiliser on, just the blood, fish and bone as usual. This stuff's actually just like soil, so it should have some good stuff in it. So it's only taken me about sort of half an hour to do a third of my bed, so maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours for the whole lot. Because I'm not digging it, it's not that difficult. So that's a bit of compost now. And then now what I'll do, if I can get over with my dodgy leg, this is all the potato compost that I grew my potatoes on last year. So I'll just put some of that on as well. Oh, my foot, ow. Got a potato growing. A couple of spuds there, don't really want those in. Just do one more. And get it spread about. Oh, I'm quite tired. So again, this will suppress any of the weeds. Nice thick mulch of spent compost. See some fungal strands growing in this, so that's all good stuff, mycorrhizal stuff with the potato. Oh, I can tell I've not done any exercise for a few weeks. I'm a bit pooped. Right, I think that's about it for that section. So I'm just going to put some blood, fish and bone on just before I plant, and hopefully the worms will take all this in, do all the digging for me. So that's it. So that's my little bit of no dig for the garlic done. I'll get on and pull a few carrots up and see what state they're in. Alright then folks, on to my final box of carrots. It should have been up a bit earlier than this. This is only the low box, it's only 18 inches high. So what do you think? Do you think we've got any or not? Do you think there's anything left? Just a little shoot growing out of the top there. You'll probably be quite amazed. There we go. Clean as a whistle. There's two in that one actually. So it's the way to grow carrots. They stay in absolutely perfect condition all throughout winter because they're in sand and it's well drained. There you go. Yet another. Perfect. Not massive, but it doesn't matter. Still be sweet as anything. Let's have a look. They're hard to find when all the tops die back. And another. Nearly into March, still picking carrots. Like I said, it's a bit of work doing it this way, digging all the sand out and stuff. It's quite a big one, that. Ugh. But as you can see, if you can get carrots like that for 6-7 months of the year, they smell absolutely gorgeous still. Why wouldn't you do it? So I'm going to pull about, I'll pull another few out. Leave a few more, because they don't take any harm in here. The baby one in there, it's falling in. Oh, do another one. There you go, all absolutely perfect. Been in all over winter and still absolutely gorgeous. No carrot fly, nothing. No pests, no slugs. Can't beat it. Give it a go this next year. Just one box and you get 16 out, and you can grow them a lot bigger than that. It's the initial work, like I said, is a bit tough, but after that you're guaranteed a good crop generally. Right, let's go and get a few of these leeks out, and then I think that'll be about it, because I'm feeling a bit weary today. Alright then folks, try and get a few of these leeks up. They look a bit battered and stuff, but once you strip all the old leaves off, they should be alright. Like I said, once you peel all this old rubbish off like this, generally pretty clean. Yeah. Did have a knife. Where's my knife gone? Just chop the old roots off. I'm only going to freeze these, so they're probably all just going to go into soup eventually. Some mighty big worms, which is always a good sign. Again, you just peel these outside leaves off until you get down to a bit of clean white stuff. Job's a good one. They're not bolting, which is good. So yeah, we've managed to salvage some. So my first day up for 3 months. First bit of work after the old lurgy. Feeling a bit tired, but it's nice to actually get out into some fresh air for a change. Get on with something. Some of these look a bit manky, but you just keep peeling it off until you get to a nice clean one, like I said. So anyway folks, I think that's about it. I've had enough today. I'm a bit weary, so I'll get the rest of these up and I'll see you later.